Today we're making Lechon Paksiw. And the ingredients that we'll be using are leftover roast pork. So this is about 600 grams. Bay leaves, whole peppercorns, 1 whole onion, about 5 large cloves of garlic, brown sugar, white vinegar, soy sauce, and if you have your Mang Tomas lechon sauce, or if the roast pork came with its sauce, you can use that. Let's start by chopping our onions and garlic. You don't have to chop it finely, so this is okay. Next, chop your lechon or your roast pork into about bite-sized pieces, about this big. So this should be okay. Okay, that's good. Next, in a preheated pan, put in some oil. So I'm using canola oil. Add in your onions. Saute quickly. Then add in your garlic. As soon as you can smell the onions and the garlic, it's time to add in your meat. Okay, no need to sear this. Next step is add about 1/4 cup of the white vinegar. Add in your bay leaves. So I have your 3 bay leaves. And add in the peppercorns. Add in a splash of soy sauce for some color. Then top it up with water. Don't need to cover the meat because you'll just be simmering this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then add in about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Then about 1/4 cup of the Mang Tomas lechon sauce. Okay, not much. Mix everything in. Lower the heat. Cover. Then let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. So the sauce has reduced. And the meat has softened a bit more. Okay, that's what you want. Now for the last part, let's taste. So this is best paired with rice, and make sure to put some sauce on the rice like that. So let's check the meat. Get some rice. It's very good. And we're done.